How to unfollow all on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, unfollow to people on Instagram, simply launch the Instagram application on your device over here. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, what you simply need to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, you can see the options of post, followers and following list over here at the top. So what you simply need to do is tap on the following list. As you do that, here you can see all the people that you follow. So if you want to unfollow them, you can just tap on the three dotted lines beside their names and then tap on unfollow. So here you can just tap on unfollow and you'll be able to unfollow all of these people on Instagram by going to each and individual option. So just go and tap on three dotted lines for all these options and you'll be able to unfollow them. So there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.